Greetings. Welcome to the new place. This is what I've been holding back from you guys all along. And it's just about done, so check it out. Over here we got some rooms. Still very unfamiliar with this place. But yeah, got a room right there. Got another room right here, which is actually the basement. So if you want to check that out. Oh yeah. It's just a ton of stuff to build the house. Still underneath here in the base. Kitchen very open. Be able to cook my triple cheeseburger extra grease every night. And yeah, so just check it out over here. Got a nice room over here. I don't know what I'm gonna put here. Something about the trucks. It's gonna go right here. And then over here we got a bathroom. Explosive burgers. And then right here we got another room. Probably gonna put something about trucks in there. And yeah, it's a pretty cool place. It smells like wood. A lot of wood is used to make this place. Let's go upstairs. So this kind of reminds me exactly like the other dream house, where there was just a second floor and there was just a place to almost jump down from. So it's just a little bit oversized. And then in here, it's going to be where the bedroom is going to be. Just going to rest up, probably park a truck next to me. And yeah, so if you can check it out in here, it's going to be my closet. Go in here to make myself feel tall. See ya. Check on out what it looks like out here. Got some chairs out here. Pretty cool. Got this nice porch. Is this willow?
Just pressure treated wood.
Looks like maple.
That's pine.
Oh. So here's the outside. Exact log cabins that you'd build with the Lincoln logs when you were really young. We're living the dream here. About to be generation to generation, 3,000 years of families will be living here. And that is the house. This is the MTV Cribs with Upshift Z71. Check it out. Better than all the ones you see in LA.
Move closer to your truck maybe a little bit. There you go.
And then I'll stand by the truck now. You know, it's a lot different being in the middle of nowhere on foot than it is in a car. So I'm here with this Polaris right here. Sportsman 400 HO high output. On demand all-wheel drive. That is crazy. Comcast on demand. I'm not too familiar with these, but it looks pretty cool. We got a nice grill guard on here. Reminds me of the one on the Silverado. It's got these nice metal wheels. I think that's probably 35, probably like a like a 2.5, and then you can even trailer something with it. So probably like a small car. IFS suspension in the front and the rear. I'm more of a solid axle kind of guy. All right, we can't get it to start, so I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna push it back, and then we're gonna figure out something else because it's not gonna budge. It's a Ford. Just kidding. So we're gonna go try out another one, see if it'll work. It's about 25 degrees outside and it is freezing, but we gotta make this content, so let's do this. What's up, guys? So I'm here with the Ford. We just drove the Polaris down from the up there, and my truck is right there. If you can see it, check it on out. All right, so we're gonna try to start off this old Powerstroke. Is it a Powerstroke or an IDI? 250 or the 350?
350.
So you only buy 350s.
The one up the hill's a 450.
Oh, so anything under is not worth it.
Yeah.
What is that? Isn't that 2500?
That's my brother's truck.
But it's a 2500.
Yeah.
All right, check out that second gen over there. You're gonna do a 5.9 Cummins swap?
That would be cool.
Yeah. All right. I think there we go. Come check this out, guys. Very ancient technology here. I'm talking back from the Egyptian days. What it is? What? So it's a 7.3? Not a 7.3.
Yeah, it's not a 7.3.
Starter up, cold starter up. It hasn't ran in 40 years. So it is a diesel, says right there. That's all we know about it. It's a Ford diesel. So we're gonna try to start her up now. And I don't know if we're gonna have any luck or not. You cannot find these. It's one of one. One of one Ford right here. Alright, so let's try to start her up. Start the vehicle up. Shut that off. I'm getting a call. Keep it going. Performance Diesel Warehouse. Hello? Oh, what's up? Okay. Alright. Okay, thanks. We're picking up the Ram. Alright, so yeah. So I guess the Ford isn't going to start. We'll try one more time. The old 7.3, well, whatever it is, won't latch. Getting in this time. Oh.
Give it some gas. Alright, that's it.
First time driving a four-wheeler, never sat on one or tried starting one before. Alright. Is that a turkey? That's so weird. Look how weird that thing looks. How often do you see those?
That's our guinea.
Oh, it's your... Really?
Yeah.
Is it a turkey?
Mm-mm. Let the brake out.
A burnout. Alright guys, so a lot's about to go down here, and we gotta try to get that Ford started down there. It did not work, so I think tomorrow we're gonna try to get the Ram started, which I think we will be able to, because it's a Dodge, and I own a Dodge, so that's how that works. And yeah, so we gotta go pick up the Ram, and I got a lot of other stuff to do, so I'm probably gonna make that in a split content video. So this is to be continued. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe so I can see you next video. Until next time, take it easy.